Hi viewers, this is Vinay Chandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem. Exercise 4.3, first problem, subdivision number 2, chapter 4, 10th standard NCERT Maths. Actually, what they given in this problem, find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing square method. By the method of completing square method. Clear? So they given a second problem. We should find the roots of the second quadratic equation. Clear? Clear? Any doubt? So in this completing square method, first what we supposed to do, we can check whether it is in a standard form or not. Then if it is a standard form, we need a coefficient of x squared is 1, but here it is 2, right? But in a middle term splitting method as well as a quadratic formula method, it is not necessary. But completing square method, it should be comfortable to do the problem, right? You just make it as the coefficient of x squared 1. So what you supposed to do, you can divide it by 2. Clear? Then you will get 2x squared plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Then divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. Clear? Clear? Any doubt? Next you can cancel it, became a x square plus x by 2 minus here 2 equal to 0. Right? Real clear? Any doubt? So next step, what is supposed to do? We can use the identity. What identity should be here? Coefficient, x term symbol, x term sign, it is a plus. So a plus b the whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square. Clear? Now x square plus, I need a 2, right? X square is here, a square. I need a 2 also, right? 2. So what I supposed to do? I just multiply 2 and divided by 2 into x by 2. In this term alone, x term alone, I should multiply 2 and divide by 2 minus 2 equal to 0, right? Now I got a 2, right? Then x square plus 2 into x divided by 2 to the 4. Clear? Clear? Any other doubt? Clear? Minus 2 equal to 0. Next step, x square plus 2 into a value a square plus 2 a value what it is x, then b value 1 by 4 minus 2 equal to 0. Clear? Now it is in a form of a squared, this one. Here it is 2, here a, here b. Now what is the b value? 1 by 4. So up to this I completed. I need a b squared. So what I supposed to do for I need a b square? I just add a b square and subtract a b square on here, right? Then x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 the whole square minus 1 by 4 the whole square. Then as usual minus 2 equal to 0. Any doubt? Clear? I just simply added a b square and subtracted a b square. Next, x square plus 2ab plus 1 by 4 the whole square and just made the bracket. Clear? Then minus 1 by 4 the whole square minus 2 equal to 0. Real clear? So now it is in we get a minus b the whole square. So we can write x minus 1 by 4 the whole square. Clear? Any doubt? Then minus 1 by 4 the whole square. What is here? The same thing, minus 2 equal to 0. Very clear? Any doubt? Next, now x minus 1 by 4 the whole square minus, now the square is common for 1 and 4. So 1 squared 1, 4 squared 16 minus 2 equal to 0. Clear? Clear? Any doubt? Next, x minus 1 by 4 the whole square plus, now the different denominator, right? You can take a LCM, 16. So here the same thing, minus 1. Here minus So here 1 I want to make as a 16. So into 16 into 16. So 2 16s are 32 equal to 0. Now it is the same sign. What I supposed to do? Addition. So x minus 1 by 4 the whole square plus minus 33 divided by 16 equal to 0. Are you all clear? Any doubt? So next, x minus 1 by 4 the whole square equal to minus 33 by 16 will transposing to right side, it became a plus 33 by 16. Clear? Clear? Next, x minus 1 by 4 equal to, now it is a square root. I am taking square root on both sides. Root on both sides. So it became a root 33 by 16. Clear? Any doubt? So x minus 1 by 4 equal to, the root is common for both numbers. So root 33 divided by plus or minus root of 16 became a 4. So it is a plus or minus. Right? It is equal to plus or minus value. So next x minus 1 by 4 is equal to plus or minus root 33 divided by 4. Clear? 16 will come out from the root, right? Root of 16 value is also 4, right? Or you all know that plus or minus 4. So now x is equal to root 33 divided by 4 plus or minus. Now here it is a minus, so transposing minus become a plus 1 by 4. Clear? Any doubt? So next, x is equal to plus root 33 by 4 plus 1 by 4, then minus root 33 by 4, x is equal to plus 1 by 4. So next step, x is equal to root 33 plus 1 divided by 4. Then x is equal to minus root 33 plus 1 divided by 4. Clear? Now we found the x value. Clear? Any doubt? Clear? So the roots are, therefore the roots are root 33 plus 1 divided by 4 and minus root 33 plus 1 divided by 4. Clear? Any doubt? I hope in this video you may clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you.